Today is your chance to prove and show all that you learned from our unit on polygons. You're going to complete a task today about a student named Roberto who is studying about shapes like us. He learned how to sort shapes based on properties. Before I let you go and explain the task, I want us to review 4 different sorting tools that we've used in this unit. We've used a Venn diagram, where there would be an attribute here, an attribute here, and then if the polygon shared both attributes, it would go in the middle. We created 2 column tables where we had attribute and non-attribute, or example and non-example. Same thing for 3 column tables, just with 3 different attributes. And finally, we did plenty of Carroll diagrams. Again, attribute, non-attribute, attribute, and not attribute. And then we placed in the correctors the polygon that applies to that situation. You're going to use these sorting tools for today's task. Let's go over the task. This task is called Roberto's polygon sort. In math class, Roberto had to sort the following 8 polygons, and each polygon is numbered for you. You're going to place in the Venn diagram which polygons have obtuse angles, which ones have right angles, and the middle section is for which polygon has both of those. You can just write the number here instead of drawing the shape. So wherever you want to place this polygon, you would just write the number 5. Here are the results of Roberto's second sort. So he sorted these 2 based on an attribute and a non-attribute. What attributes could he have used to sort the polygons into the 2 groups? Write in the labels on the columns for this sort. Explain why you chose one attribute and why the other attributes do not work. So this is an example of an attribute, and these are all examples of that attribute not being present in those polygons. Okay, here's the third sort. It's the 3-part column. He already sorted the polygons for you, and here's where you need to write the 3 possible attributes. Again, you're going to explain why you chose the attribute here that could not work for these 2 columns with different polygons. And then finally, we move to the Carroll diagram. He sorted them for you, and you need to place what attributes you think work in the correct rows and columns. Again, you have to explain why that worked. So in this task, Roberto did the sorting and he had these categories and these attributes in mind, and now you have to decide what he was thinking based on the clues of the sort. Good luck on today's milestone task.